Don't leave me here in a world so cold, feeling lost and trapped, don't know where to go. I cannot find my way home, this path don't look like the one I paved it. Think I'm losing my mind, I'm going crazy. I've been walking for days, feels like I'm stuck in a maze. I thought I found my home, but that wasn't it. I keep on trying and trying, and my effort isn't good enough. I cannot feel my heartbeat, the future I planned I no longer foresee. I've been walking in circles, just wishing and hoping I'll make it through. I'm starting to lose hope in this helpless world. Tell me why I should keep going when I fail in every way. No possibility, I'm on my way down and I don't have any strength to pull myself back up. Why do I have to try so hard for something so simple? Why am I never good enough? Why am I always falling short? So many questions unanswered, does the universe even care about me? Don't leave me here in a world so cold. So many sleepless nights, so many cries for help, so many days of pain and apathy, so many emotions going through my mind. Don't leave me here in a world so cold. I can't go on alone, I'll admit I need your help. So many days of pain and apathy, so many emotions going through my mind. I need you here, I need you here, I need you now, I need you now, I need you now, I need you, I need you now. Yeah. My body and my mind, weekends as I think about tomorrow, hoping I live until tomorrow. My heart's been broken so many times, is there another heart to borrow? I don't wanna live with pain and sorrow. I don't care anymore about good morals. In life the good gets hurt while the bad receives getaways. I'm mentally drained and I can no longer good attain stupidity. I called for help and you weren't there. I needed guidance and you were nowhere to be found. You left me stranded, all alone in a wood so cold. So much anger and regrets. You wouldn't be able to walk in my shoes if you were given the chance. Why do I still care if in the end I'm still not the one? Don't leave me here in a world so cold. So many sleepless nights, so many cries for help, so many days of pain and apathy, so many emotions going through my mind. Don't leave me here